Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating authority. Only manage networks you own or have explicit permission for. Once confirmed, connect a device to the same globe Wi-Fi and open the router's admin portal. This is where controls live. Make sure to note the current SSID and any admin credentials, because you will need them to make legitimate changes. Also list connected devices so you can identify which devices to control. From here, you're ready to apply safe, policy-compliant access controls. Next, you implement benign access limits rather than disruptive interference. This preserves service while managing use. Use the router's parental controls or access scheduling to restrict device internet times, set clear hours, and apply them to listed devices. If visitors need access, enable a separate guest network so the main SSID stays restricted. Also, once done, change the router admin password and enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption to ensure only authorized people can alter settings. This prevents accidental or malicious changes later. Finally, validate that your changes work as intended. Test from several devices and at scheduled times to confirm restrictions apply. Once satisfied, document the new settings and store admin credentials securely so authorized users can restore access if needed. If something goes wrong, restart the router first and recheck the admin login. Many issues resolve with a reboot. If problems persist, contact Globe or your ISP support for assistance. Explain only legitimate management actions so they can help promptly and legally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.